Today, we have some exciting news to discuss regarding the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. Leaks have surfaced revealing key details about its release date, pricing, and major upgrades. Whether you're a drone enthusiast or a professional filmmaker, the Mavic 4 Pro is shaping up to be one of the most advanced aerial photography tools available. With a combination of cutting-edge technology, improved performance, and an impressive camera system, this drone is expected to redefine what's possible in the world of cinematography. DJI Mavic 4 Pro pricing and release date confirmed. The long-awaited DJI Mavic 4 Pro is set to launch with pricing similar to its predecessor, the Mavic 3 Pro. Leaks indicate that European buyers will pay around $2,299 for the base model, while UK buyers can expect a price tag of $1,879. For those looking for additional accessories, the Fly More combo, which includes extra batteries and other enhancements, will be available for $2,699 in Europe and $2,549 in the UK. Meanwhile, in the United States, leaks from Jasper Ellens via DroneXL suggest an official release date of April 24th, with a pricing structure that reflects its premium features. The base model will start at $2,250, while the Fly More combo will retail for $3,200. The 512GB Creator Combo, which comes equipped with the advanced RC Pro 2 controller, will be priced at $4,400. With these pricing details, many are wondering, has DJI maintained fair pricing, or is this yet another drone that comes with a hefty price tag? Mavic 4 Pro. Key specifications and upgrades. After months of speculation, the Mavic 4 Pro's official features and design have been confirmed. The latest leaks provide a comprehensive look at the drone's structural and performance improvements. DJI has been working hard to make this drone a game-changer in aerial cinematography, and based on the details we have, it appears they have succeeded. Redesigned aerodynamics and structural improvements. One of the most noticeable changes in the Mavic 4 Pro is its aerodynamic propeller system. The new quick-release disc on top not only enhances airflow, but also helps prevent dust and rain from interfering with the drone's motors. To further improve durability, DJI has added rubber bumpers on all four arms, as well as a small rubber foot in the center, ensuring stability during landings and preventing potential damage. Perhaps the most significant upgrade is the introduction of a lighter light detection and ranging LiDAR sensor, which provides improved precision in obstacle detection and low-light navigation. This is a massive step forward for drone pilots, who often operate in challenging environments. Hasselblad camera system and triple lens. Setup DJI continues to collaborate with Hasselblad to bring one of the most sophisticated camera systems to their drones. The Mavic 4 Pro will feature a triple lens camera system, making it one of the best drones for aerial cinematography. Here's what you can expect. Chalk 3 CMOS sensor with built-in electronic ND filters for exceptional image quality and dynamic range 50. Medium telephoto lens for mid-range shots with professional clarity 6.6mm. Long telephoto lens with enhanced zoom capabilities without sacrificing image sharpness. This new camera system will provide unparalleled flexibility for filmmakers, allowing for greater control over composition, depth, and perspective. Whether you're capturing landscapes or intricate close-ups, the Mavic 4 Pro will deliver cinematic-level footage with ease. Extended flight time and battery life enhancements. Battery life is always a crucial factor for drone users, and DJI has made significant improvements in this area. The Mavic 4 Pro boasts an impressive 50-minute flight time, a substantial upgrade over previous models. This means pilots can capture extended footage without the constant need to swap batteries. For professionals working on long projects, this increase in battery performance will be a game changer. With the intelligent flight battery, users can expect even better efficiency and optimized power management, ensuring longer shooting sessions and greater reliability. DJI, expanding the Mavic 4 series. Interestingly, DJI is not just releasing one version of the Mavic 4 Pro. Reports indicate that 3 different variants of the Mavic 4 series will be launched, catering to different user needs and budgets. Additionally, a special Cinema Edition (CA) version is being introduced, specifically designed for professional cinematographers. This expanded lineup shows DJI's commitment to providing tailored solutions for both enthusiasts and professionals, ensuring that there's a model that fits every level of expertise and requirement. Final thoughts. Is the Mavic 4 Pro worth it? The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is shaping up to be a groundbreaking drone in the consumer and professional market. With its advanced obstacle detection, Hasselblad triple camera system, aerodynamic enhancements, and extended flight time, it's clear that DJI has taken aerial cinematography to the next level. But the question remains, does its price justify the upgrades? For professional filmmakers and drone enthusiasts looking for the best image quality, flight efficiency, and advanced features, the Mavic 4 Pro appears to be worth every penny. However, for casual users, the cost might be a limiting factor. As we inch closer to the official launch, we can expect even more information about its capabilities and potential real-world performance. Until then, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you think the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is worth the price? Will you be upgrading from a previous model? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned to Technology in the Future for the latest updates, reviews, and leaks on DJI drones and cutting-edge technology. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Mavic 4 Pro, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting content. Upcoming coverage. What's next in the drone world? With the DJI Mavic 4 Pro's release date confirmed, speculation is already building around DJI's other upcoming drones, including the DJI Air 4 and the Mini 5 Pro. If you're curious about what's next, stay tuned because we'll be covering all the latest leaks and industry insights in the coming weeks. Thanks for watching Technology in the Future. Until next time, happy flying!